So hello guys, welcome back to another video of scientific molecules. Today we are going to do another part of knowing more about universe. So before watching this video, please make sure to like and share this video, and those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't watched the other parts of this series, please watch those videos. And with no more talking, let's get right into the video. If we look at the night sky, then we can see that there are many stars, and some may think that there are many more stars in the Milky Way, so Milky Way will be very much lighted up. But in fact, that is not true. The Milky Way galaxy is 90% covered with the dark matters. Like black holes, we cannot see dark matters, but we can understand the effects created by these dark matters, and Milky Way is covered with 90% of this dark matter. Next and wonderful fact is that it is believed that the Milky Way is as old as the universe. We can understand how this Milky Way galaxy is old by understanding or studying the oldest star in the Milky Way galaxy. So it is believed that the Milky Way galaxy is formed just after the formation of this universe and the condensation of molecular matters. Did you know that the Milky Way galaxy is not as much as big as it is today? Yeah, in fact, these galaxies will grow in their own by consuming other smaller galaxies. So it is believed that the Milky Way galaxy was very small but consumed smaller galaxies and became as large as it is in these days. But it will take some time for the galaxy for growing how large it is today. Did you know that the Milky Way galaxy has almost 200 billion stars? Yeah, it is true that the Milky Way galaxy has around 200 billion stars, and without including other galaxies, we can see how many stars are there in the Milky Way galaxy. Next is two facts about the sun. First fact is that the sun is not as much as we think is, but it is just a young star because a sun has or a star has a lifespan of 5 billion years, and our sun is half the way into their death, but many of the stars in the Milky Way galaxies had already become a red dwarf. Next fact is that it is believed that our sun is around 30,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. This means that it will take around 30,000 years for light to travel to the center of the galaxy from our sun. Did you know that we can actually see Andromeda galaxy from the Earth? Yeah, that's true. Andromeda galaxy is the largest galaxy in local group. It is about 220,000 light years across, and we can see it with our naked eyes from our Earth. Next fact is that in the future, Andromeda galaxy and our Milky Way galaxy will collide. This fairly spectacular event won't happen for at least the next 3.75 billion years, but when it happens, it will create a huge destruction. Did you know that it is thought that the number of stars in the universe is more than the number of grains of sand in the beach? It is just a calculation that there are much more stars in the universe than we can count. Did you know that our sun is a rare type of star because usually stars are not found alone but is found as a group or as a cluster. Therefore, we can say that sun is rare because sun is not with another star, but usually other stars are in a group, so the sun is kinda rare. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't watched the other videos, please make sure to watch those videos, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video.